today I'm going to take all these and put them on this. This is my first fishing kayak ever. It's the Lifetime Tamarack 10-foot fishing kayak. Got an offer up for about $170, and it retails at Walmart for like $200, $220. It's a little cheap kayak. It's my first one, so what I plan to do, the new seat, put an anchor trolley, fishing crate, and a little tray up front to hold like clippers, pliers, whatnot. First thing we should do is spray paint. Spray paint these. These are going to act as their foam practice golf balls. I'll put them in my scupper holes. Use them as scupper plugs. Yeah, the only flaw about this kayak, they put scupper holes right at the seat. So if you sat in this without the new seat I'm putting in, your butt's gonna be wet like the whole time. So I'm gonna plug these in, 6 of them. Thank God this came in a 6-pack. We're gonna spray paint these black so I don't have any yellow on this thing. So we'll spray paint this. We're gonna spray paint that. Alright, I think that's good enough. I'm going to use, for my anchoring system, I'm going to replace this line with paracord, which is right. That's a red paracord. Spray paint this black, replace this with red paracord, and attach my anchor. It's going to be pretty sweet. Let that chill. So I'm basically copying this idea from Mobbin' Outdoors, so shout out to him. He took a tray from the dollar store, took some Velcro, put some Velcro right here, and he put the tray right there. It'll hold like my pliers, my clippers, extra bait that I'm not using. I thought that was a brilliant idea, so I got these at Walmart. This was only 38 cents for 4 of these. Gonna sit like that. It's a little tiny, but it'll work. Just down the middle, just like that. Sturdy. Put this in there. So this stuff won't slide around everywhere. In there. And if I don't need it, take it off. If I need it again. Boom. Next, we're going to do the seat. The seat's really easy. I just bought the stadium seat. Cascade stadium seat from Amazon for $30. People say they got them at Costco for like 20, but I don't have access to Costco, so I had to get one off Amazon. It's pretty heavy, but look how perfectly this fits in the kayak. Boom. Get a little bit more elevation, maybe like 2.5, 3 inches. Heard it's way more comfortable because the stock seat on this was not comfortable whatsoever. Alright, next I'm going to put some fishing rod holders on the crate. Zip ties. And there you go, it's finished for now. Adding one more thing to it. I could always do this, but oh, that's pretty sturdy. Oh, that's real sturdy now. Okay. That looks good. Wait, now that's not going nowhere. Let me do all the way to the back. There we go. There you go. Oh yeah, it's way better. So this is the cleat, rivets if you don't have access inside your kayak. The thing you connect your carabiner to slide the thing back and forth. And those guides, some hardware, pulleys, the rope, which, yeah, I'll use this rope, carabiner, 2 carabiners. Alright, so I watched this on YouTube, so it should be pretty easy. I don't know where the water line is on this thing, to be honest. I haven't put it in the water yet. Dang, why didn't these break off as cleanly as the first one I did? I didn't record the anchor system, but just got an anchor. Replaced this retractable clothesline with paracord, so whenever I drop the anchor, I don't get that mess of the slack everywhere on my kayak. So that's good.
If you guys want a tutorial on that, let me know, because I did all of that. He didn't do none of that.
I also installed the H2O kayak anchor trolley. I should have bought more eyelets so I could guide the rope better, but it works. All the way to the front, all the way to the back. Got my PFD up front just in case I need it. I got the tray with keep all my little stuff in so it's not floating around the kayak. Got the seat in. Shout out to Mob and Outdoors for the idea. This is awesome. I can't wait to use it. I think that's it. I got the leashes, red carabiner. Color scheme is like OD green, black, and red. That's the finished product.